So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert emoji into a Unicode for development of or a design purpose. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for emojicopy.com. You can see the right URL over there. You can go to this platform from your smartphones as well. Once you open it, and here let's just simply pick emoji. Let's just select this one, and here go to this option. Has multiple customizations as well, and just hit copy, and the emoji Unicode will be directly copied to your keyboard clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere and use it anywhere you want, and over the platform that does not even support the emojis. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.